when the special needs kids suddenly achieve a milestone that we were not thinking they could, whether it was independence or communication, socialization, learning new habits, all of these are things that we'll never forget.
ማስታወሰው የተከለከለችውን እቃ ልትነካ ስትል እንዳትነኪ ብዬ ስላት ተነስታ ሰዓቱ ጠዋት አልነበረም እቅፍ አድርጋኝ እንደምን አደርሽ መሰለችኝ መቼም ማረሰው
For me the best and the nice moment with the special need kids when they make eye contact, and this moment you can never forget and it's really touch you deep inside of your heart.
When they want to do something that which is forbidden, so they look if someone is watching or not, and they will do.
Any sazen
facial expression.
There was someone and he used the materials in a silly way and then he put it on his head and it was like a circle time and all the kids are laughing at him and then that circle time is going to be like fun, relaxed and they connect and relax each other.
አብዛኛውን ጊዜ ከነሱ ጋር እንደማሳለፌ በየቀኑ አዳዲስ ነገሮች ሊገጥሙኝ ይችላሉ ግን በጣም የምወደው ሞመንት ማድረግ የማይችሉትን ነገሮች ማድረግ ሲጀምሩ ወይንም ማይልስቶናቸውን ሚት ሲያደርጉ በጣም ደስ ይለኛል